Hello YouTube viewers, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to Kotlin for Beginners. In this video, we will learn about creating variables in Kotlin. Let's open an IntelliJ IDEA and use the same Hello World project we created in the previous video. So let's double click on the icon to start the IDE. By default, IntelliJ opens the last project you were working on. As you can see, it's opening Hello World project because that was the last project I was working on. Before we can start doing some coding, let's do some cleanup and get rid of this line. So in Kotlin, there are two ways we can declare variables. One is the keyword var and one is the keyword val. So let's declare two variables first using keyword var. The syntax is very simple. First the keyword, then the name of the variable, first name, then colon, then data type, and let's declare another variable var, last name, and data type, and let's initialize this variable to Smith. And let's declare another variable using keyword val, middle name, which is of data type string, and let's initialize this to O. So in Kotlin, every variable has to be initialized before its first read. So if we try to read the value of first name to display it on the console, we will get a compiler error. Let's try that using the print ln statement. So as you can see, there is a red squiggly under first name, and if you hover over that, it will tell us that the variable has not been initialized, or it must be initialized before it's first read. So let's initialize the first name and give it a value of John. The difference between var and val is that by using var keyword, we are declaring a mutable variable, which means that the value of that variable can be changed in the program whenever we want or whenever it is needed. And with the val keyword, we are declaring a immutable variable, which means that the value of that variable cannot be changed. So if we try to change the value of middle name, we will get a compiler error. As you can see, there is a red squiggly underneath it, and if you hover over it, we'll see that the compiler will give us tell us the error, which is val cannot be reassigned. So that means the variable middle name is immutable. The println statement is used to display the value of the variable. What println does is that it displays the value and then appends a empty line, new line at the end of that value. So let's print the value of first name, middle name, and last name. So when we run this program, the value of each variable will be printed on a separate line because println is going to append a new line at the end of each value of each variable. To run this program, either we can click on play button here or play button here. So let's click on play button here and click on run main kt. As you can see, the value of each variable, first name, middle name, and last name is printed on a separate line. That's because println has appended a new line after the value of each variable. So that's how you declare variables in Kotlin, and that's all for this video. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please leave them below. Click that like button. Likes are always appreciated. Please subscribe to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.